Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is The Trades and I'm a day trader and I have been trading for the past 4+ years, forex, major pairs and indices such as like NAS 100, US 30. So today I asked my Discord community, my Discord members, which content should I post on YouTube, and they all said post your strategy that you use. I use this strategy basically for 4 years and I like this strategy, and I have been using on live YouTube from Monday to Friday from 2 a.m. till 6 a.m. live on YouTube, so you all can join and watch me trade this, or you can just ask questions while we wait for a trade to finish or get entry on trade. But basically every day I'm live, so you can all join. So one of my members asked me a great question, and they're just starting with trading journey, and they asked me should they go with prop firm challenge or should they go with live trading account. As always, I will say honestly, live trading account. If you don't agree with me, you can always leave your thoughts inside my comment section, but I will say this: prop firms are pure scam for people. If you see some influencer getting payouts or something like that, just remind yourself that he is influencer, that's first, and second, he works with that prop firm and he will get percentage out of it. So just to say this, go with your live trading account. You will master your emotions, you will learn how to trade, and you will enjoy your trading journey more than going with some prop firm capital. I know it sounds crazy and it's low money, but trust me, it will pay out more than going with prop firms and working on getting payout 1, 2 months, 3 months, and then after that you get denied just quoting them just because you use some third party card payment, which is such a BS because without authorization of bank you cannot use that card. Just little reminder, go and use live account. And now let's get into depth with this strategy. So before we go into this trade strategy and examples, here is the rules for this trade. First, you need to mark high and low from 7 p.m. till 2 a.m. This high and low are New York time, so please do remember everything I say in time is gonna be New York time. I will say if something is not. So this time needs to be marked correctly, otherwise your strategy will not work as it works for me. So you mark high and low. Here I marked Asian high and Asian low. You check that. Then you are waiting for sweep of high or low. As you can see, I mark here Asian high and Asian low. Then you place here check because we swept Asian low. Wait for 5-minute market structure shift. Here is market structure shift. Then you wait for displacement to be good, and then you move to find your fair value gap or your entry point. It can be fair value gap on 5 minute, and it can be order block, depends which one you like more. So here is order block or FAG, I can check that. And second, it's gonna be targeting opposite liquidity, which is Asian high because we took Asian low. And after that, we place our stop loss under last low. So basically for this strategy, you do not need no bias. You only need this setup, and that's it for this strategy. There is nothing else you need to do, you need to worry about, and you can easily pass any prop firm challenge. Let's move on with live examples through FX replay. So now as we are on FX replay for examples, I first just wanted to show you guys that I have been trading this strategy in the past several years, and right now as you can see it's working pretty well. You can see every trade that I post inside my Discord channel, and you can come with me live on YouTube every day from 2 a.m. till 6-7 a.m. New York time, depends on how many people are inside YouTube, so I can just work with them. Now moving on with examples, and I just want to say one thing, it's that this strategy works on 4 pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100 and US 30. So those 4 pairs you can use, but I would recommend just go with 1 pair. Right now I will be showing you guys with NAS 100, and you can see how fast this strategy can work and how can you fast pass prop firm challenge. I will be using 100k, and I will be using 8%, which is 8k. I will be using as a prop firm challenge, which eventually it's something like limit or target you need to achieve. So right now I will be waiting for liquidity sweep. So we got ourselves liquidity sweep. Now let's move on and find market structure shift. So I will just mark this as a high, as it's not market structure shift, but just to have it here. Now let's look at charts. So basically it's close to market structure shift, but we did not close above. What you want in this strategy is to close above, because otherwise it's not gonna work. So let's just move. Okay, we close above, and after that we have ourselves market structure shift. Now you can place your entry at top, and your stop loss is gonna go on the last low, and your TP is gonna go at Asian high. Now you have 6.7 RR in just one trade. Before I go and play, I will place just a second. So I will place my trade, and right now, so as I placed a trade, I would not go past even not 14 but 13 hours. So I do not like to go over New York session. If it's go over New York session, it's gonna go slowly. So after 13 I just go out, and that's it. So let's just move on with the trade to see how it goes. Around 13, so I would just leave this trade, and we got ourselves 3.7 RR. Now let's just move on to the next, basically next day. Here I will just move on, same thing, mark from 19 till 2 a.m. here, and wait for a sweep. So we got ourselves here a sweep. After that we are waiting for market structure shift. We have something here, I think, but it must be broken above. So I do not like when I see some candles like this. It's not market structure shift. You need to have candle close above like this. So this is candle close above, and we have here a small FVG. Now just to bear with me, this is a strict strategy, nothing to worry about. Even if it's small big candlesticks, you do not need to worry about. So here is on tip of FVG, and last low, it's gonna be here, and we aim for TP above. So place a trade 1%, move on, and let's see how it goes. So we can see here that we are consolidating. Okay, so we are back at our entry. Now let's see, move on. Okay, we pushed above, and we can see that we did not tap our stop loss. Now let's move on. Okay, we immediately go up and take our TP, which is kind of cool. And right now we are on 6.5% on our challenge till 8% target. So let's just move on. Okay, we have ourselves here. Wait for a sweep. Okay, we got ourselves a sweep here. It's a like great rejection candle. If you see this, you do not want to miss this day, because this day it's gonna be 100% your TP. This is so great to see. So here is our market structure shift, and basically what I'm waiting. Okay, so here is a close under, basically for just a pip. So here we can see, and I will be doing this fair value gap, which is above, I mean above market structure shift, so it's all good. And place my entry here, stop loss above last low or high, depends on situation, and let's see how these trades will go. So when you see close under, example here, you just want to leave this trade and you know it's gonna go in good direction. And because it's a rejection on this, sorry, on this fair value gap and this fair value gap, so let's see, it will be 100% TP. As you can see here, we got ourselves TP, even though it's a news, but we do not care about news. Now you want to see this. Here is basically 9.5% RR is just 2 days. So this is not accident or something like that. This is basically my trading strategy that I use every single day. You can see that in my live everywhere you want. You do not need to worry about it, so you can pass any pro firm challenge. If you want, you can join my Discord and I will basically to show you how to trade this, because this is pretty much easily and you can take down every pro firm that you want, because this is such a cheat code for a prop firms. But anyway, it's such a disgusting strategy that can make you a lot of money. Even my members inside my Discord community that came for free inside Discord, and they even make money and they even learn. So basically, that's what I want to do, and that's what I want to teach people to basically come here, take a trade, take 3.5 RR every day live trading on my YouTube, and you can join too. So stay tuned. If you have any comments, please leave them inside my comment section on YouTube, or you can come inside my Discord and just mention me, and I will gladly help you if you want any help from me. So thank you guys. Go on, take this strategy and just pass any pro firm account, and please let me know if you make money, and basically that's it. Thank you. Till the next video. See you.